All right, YouTube, continuing with the specialty tools that I like from Harbor Freight. This is the Radiator pressure test kit. And I got to tell you, this thing is awesome, man. I've used this thing quite a few times. And I did get the universal adapter set with it also. But I got to tell you guys, this thing really works. I can't say nothing bad about it. I've been making a couple videos on the tools that I like from Harbor Freight. Not knocking them. As long as it works, I'm good, golden. But not to take too long, let's get into it. This is the Maddox brand from Harbor Freight. You can also open the back and take the top off. All right. Not a bad case. You got your instructions, of course. And this thing has helped me find numbers of coolant leaks. And this thing is well made. Haven't had an issue with the hose at all. You can tell I didn't use it. You see the dirt on it. But I try to keep it clean. But I can't say nothing bad about this pump. I do have some other pressure testers, but this is the one that I grabbed. This is the one that I grabbed for most of the time. I don't even touch the other one. And universal comes in this case too. Why they didn't include this in this set, I don't know, but it looks real similar to something else. I'm not gonna say what, but it looks real similar to something else. But this thing works great. I just wanted to put it out there because I had it for quite a few years. It's never failed. Thank you, Harbor Freight, for a good product. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Till next time.